What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, ooh girl, today we are recreating these cherry bomb nails that I did in November of 2019. Do y'all see how chunky and crazy they look? Oh my goodness. So we're gonna recreate that. It's obviously 2021. But yeah, I needed to like redeem myself or whatever because I yes, I'm an citizen or whatever. So I was like, hold on, like I really wanted to do another K-pop set, so I thought I would just recreate these. They need justice, okay? So I'm coming to you with my clear bases already sculpted. If you want to see how I do this, how I sculpt my clear bases, I will link a video in the cards about how I do that. And that video is also another K-pop related video too. I started out with a milky white in the tip, and I just mixed some clear and some Young Nails core white. It's not the best mix ever because it's two different formulas, because I use Glitter Bells clear, so it's not going to mix the same, which is unfortunate, but it's okay. When I did these back in 2019, I used Young Nails' oh no, I used core white, so it was like a pre-mixed milky white. But anyway, so I am sticking Johnny on my nail. So this is actually just like a piece of paper that I just printed out. This was the first nail that I did on this hand, and what I should have done was like encased him in some packaging tape, but I thought it would look like fine if I didn't do that, because like I did a test and I encapsulated like another piece of paper with clear acrylic and it looked fine, but I should have just put him in some duct tape, but it's fine. In 2019, I used like some flakes, like some pink flakes from HK Miniature Suite, but today I'm using bubblegum flake from Glitter Bells, and I'm so happy I got to use this. I think it's so much better, and I love this because it has blue reflex, so it just looks so pretty when you like move the nail and stuff. And then I'm adding some green twinkles, you know, green for NCT or whatever, even though I think the color's like lime punch or something, but it's the same thing, it's fine. And yeah, this is basically how I did the nail 2 years ago. So it was so weird doing this, like it felt really nostalgic, and it's just like insane to me that I've been doing nails for this long, and my like 2-year nail anniversary is coming up in August. Technically like July, but yeah, that's crazy. And now we're encapsulating. Yes, what do I have to say? I mean, we're just encapsulating. I'm using NSI. Oh, actually I use Glitter Bells for this nail, and I had no problems. I had no bubbles, like nothing. But then when I got to my pinky, I had like put some clear acrylic on Johnny's like the side of his face, and I got bubbles, and then I was like, oh no, like I'm not using this anymore. I did not want to risk it. So then for the rest of the nails, I used NSI's crystal clear. So this nail actually turned out to be my favorite. This is the nail with Taeyong. I don't know what it is about this. It feels very like, it looks like a magazine, like a page in a magazine. I think it's so freaking cool. Again, piece of paper that I'm sticking on there, and I'm trying to hold it down as best as I can. And it's shiny because I actually did put it in some tape. And you saw me roll that flag. I had to roll it because it's super flat because of the tape, so I had to make sure that it curves to my nail so it doesn't stick up or anything. So funny story, actually, when I posted these on TikTok, the ones from 2019, they didn't really get that much love at the time. I wasn't like really on TikTok like that, like how I am now, as far as like posting and stuff. But like a couple weeks, or I don't know how long later, like I saw, I don't know if I saw it on TikTok or Instagram first, but like I saw somebody post cherry bomb nails, and I was like, interesting, like that's cool or whatever. No shade or nothing, I guess. I don't know, I mean, but yeah, that was just funny to me that I saw that. But hey, you know, I'm inspiring people, I guess, you know, so it's okay. Like, go ahead, do your K-pop nails, because we love K-pop nails. This green and pink acrylic is very pretty, but it's very hard to work with. I haven't worked with it in a really long time, so it just took me a while to get used to it. I think I got used to it like once I started using pink on this nail. But anyway, this is the half and half cherry bomb nail. I don't know what compelled me to do this in 2019. I think it was very innovative, very creative, very mind of a mastermind for me to do that. I love the effect it has. I don't know, it's like an optical illusion or something. It's like a double ombre. Anyway, let me stop. I totally forgot that I wanted to put like a black circle like sequin on the O in the bomb, so that the white wasn't there, because that's like the paper, and I couldn't for the life of me cut that out so that it was like empty. And I had like some circle glitters that I wanted to put in there, and I totally forgot, and I had it sitting right next to me. That's how bad I am at like forgetting stuff. And like when I do people's nails, like, or my family's nails, like they always have to remind me to do stuff because I forget. Anyway, look how hot this color is. It's like the hottest, most neon pink ever. Like, it's very pretty, but it just don't work. Unfortunately, this nail gave me some trouble with Johnny. What was I even gonna talk about it? Oh, like the pink is like bleeding in the side of his face a little bit, and then I already talked about like the bubbles and stuff. It's just, you know, it's okay though. Like, it took me back to 2019, and that's all that matters. And I tried to make like decals, like water slide decals, but that didn't work out at all. It was really difficult to do that. So yeah, but anyway, I'm basically doing the same thing that I did on the thumb. Anywhere that has pink pretty much has the same elements. The only difference here is that I did add a couple stars in the pink area, but other than that, it's the same. I also added this glitter. Oh, I actually don't remember the name of it, but everything will be linked in the description box below. I needed to add more like reflex and more glitter in these nails because the ones from 2019 did not have enough, and it was a little basic for me. And my knowledge and depth of glitter now has definitely increased, so I had to bring out all the stops. Although I do wish I had a green flake like I have like with bubblegum flake, but it's totally okay. I think it still looks really, really cool. So after we've applied all of our decals and all of our glitter, it's time to encapsulate my second favorite part of doing nails, I think. Like I said, I'm using NSI Crystal Clear Acrylic, and they get really bulky because of the decals, but I mean, you'll see in the end result, honey, and in the you saw it in the thumbnail too, so you'll see it's crisp and clean. It don't matter how I encapsulate, because I will file it perfect, okay? Yeah, these nails are really long, and I mentioned this in a previous video too, where I just like to take my time with encapsulating. I use smaller beads that start at the bottom, and I just work my way up, and then I will work my way back to the middle to like get my apex or my structure and all that. Yeah, I think the structure here is also just giving, like, I really did not miss here. It's perfect. I mean, I really couldn't have asked for more. And here's what they look like after application. You know, a little bulky, but we're about to fix that. So I'm using my Game Changer bit from Hot Tips Beauty. This is the bit I'm using anytime I'm e-filing acrylic. Like, this is what I'm using. This is my ride or die. Like, I will never purchase another bit. Like, I don't need to. This is the bit for me. I'm only showing you a couple of nails because, you know, we don't gotta show all that today. If all else fails, buff the hell out of your nails, okay? I cannot believe how glassy my nails look. And I'm like, what did I even do differently? I didn't do anything. I just do the same thing. I just feel like every time I do my nails, they get more and more shiny and more glass-like. I don't understand it at all. But here's the reveal. Oh my goodness. I'm just in love, man. Like, but here's the thing, I'm gonna take these off very soon, and I'm also planning on doing some Fatal Love nails and some Kai nails, inspired by the album, both of those albums. So, you know, subscribe if you like to see me cross the bridge between K-pop and nail art. Wow. Wow. Just wow. I mean, don't these just look like a mirror? Or just I don't get it. Look at that shine. Wow. Just, I mean, isn't this an upgrade? This is the best upgrade ever. Anyway, okay, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for 200 subscribers. That is so freaking awesome. I love TikTok. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload next week. Bye bye.